Right, guys, here's my DJ setup. There's a CD. Need to put that away, right? But there's my setup, right? Now, if we look on Serato here, right, there's a little record button there on top of Serato. So if I press record like that, this pops up at the bottom. Well, not the bottom, in the middle somewhere, right? Channel 1, record location, main record button. So I'll be able to press record and record my mix like that, and press stop like that, right? But as you can see, it's only recording from channel 1, right? So you can record from channel 1, 2, 3 or 4, but that's no good, you see, because what we had with my old interface, right, was the option to record from the auxiliary, right? But we don't have that with this new mixer, right? With this new mixer, you can't record from the auxiliary, right? You must record in a different method. So the different method is this, right? I've got this cable here connected to the back of the mixer, right? And it's over here, and it's going into this interface, which is my audio interface for the iMac, right? So now I'll be recording to the iMac, right? So so basically, if I just press the Q button like this, turn it up a bit, right? I'd ideally have that there like that. Press Q. Press Q like that. Right? So it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4 Q. Right? I'd start the mix. Basically I'd start the mix like that, and I'd do my mix process. Mix. Right? Actually we'll do that now. We'll do a bit of a mix now. Right, I'll do it one-handed. Right? So basically I know what the tempo of this Shaggy record is here, right? So if I just look at the tempo there, take the tempo of this tune to 124 beats per minute, right? I already know that this Shaggy record, right, on 8%, right, is about there, right? And that's 124 beats per minute, right? So, for a real vinyl record, that needs to be switched from USB, from timecode mode, over to phono, right? So with that over to phono, right? I'm not going to do it in the headphones. I'm just gonna cue the record. Right, so listen for the beat. Right, so just like that, there's a mix, and I've mixed a vinyl record in, right? So now that I mixed a vinyl record in, right? Imagine I wanted to be recording this mix, right? So looking at my level meters there, right? We can see that it's below 0 decibels, right? If I turn the trim up at the top, it brings this up, right? But I don't want it up like that. I want it down below 0 to have the right recording level, right? The master below 0 as well, right? So with that below 0, it's the right level for a club performance and to record to the iMac. So if I go on the iMac, go onto the launch pad, right, and start up SoundForge Pro, right? Now, SoundForge Pro starts up. Now what I do, oops, it's gone off the screen. Right, back on. Right. If I go to SoundForge's preferences, right, change the audio from the built-in output to the PreSonus Audio Box i2, which is this here, right? Now, what I do is I zoom the camera in, right, I go to File, New, 44 kilohertz, 16-bit, that's what we want. Right, where's the mouse? There, right, there. So we've got a new file set up, right? Then down here we press the record button, and there it is. From the DJ equipment there to the iMac, right? And this way I can record my DJ mixes to the iMac like this, right? So if I press stop on that, right, stop the record, right. Now if I just go to the top of the screen again and go to preferences again, right, and on preferences go back to audio, right, and change it to the built-in output so I can hear out of the iMac itself, right, and close that off. Right, let's just turn the volume up on the iMac. Right, we'll be able to hear a recording now. My darling angel, closer than my peeps you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need. And just like that, I can record my DJ mixes to the iMac. And basically, I can also record tunes from vinyl onto the iMac, make MP3s or WAVs out of the tunes, right, and load them into Serato, so I can get BPMs on screen for my original vinyl records, which is cheating, I know, and I'm not going to do it that much, but I've got all these options now, and I can record vinyl albums onto CDs and stuff like that. Right, so that's my demonstration of recording a DJ mix onto Sony SoundForge. In a bit.